Hello, this video is for everyone who might still be having some issues getting started into the Khan Academy learning experience here online. My goal is to walk you step by step through the process of getting into the program and show you the lessons and the work that you need to be doing during this time. So step number one, of course, is to get to Khan Academy. It's khanacademy.org. Once you're here, you should have a login already. If you are one of those individuals who has not yet gotten in, you may need to sign up. If you do sign up with your Google account. So I'm going to log in, and you should probably be able to continue with Google. I am not going to be able to do that because I did not sign up with my Google account. All right. Okay, so here is our dashboard. This is the learner's home page. And there's several things here that you can take note of. First is that on the left-hand side here, you're going to be looking for your Algebra 1 course. It's listed as Algebra 1, periods 1, 3, and 4. And there is an assignments tab here. And if I click on the assignment tab, it's blue at the moment, I believe, because it's the one that's active. Let me see if I'm sure. Yep. So I'm going to click on my assignment tab. There are two things that are going on here. I have my active assignments, which are the ones that are due, and I have my past assignments. And I presently have no past assignments because I've moved, and you probably should not at this point as well, because I've moved all the past assignments to active to allow students who are behind in this process to get caught up. So, all right, so we're here, and it's really this simple. The first lesson is telling me that I need to do is interquartile range. The little triangle is telling me that this is going to be a video lesson. So I'm going to click start on this. All right, one of the little niches in the program is that you must allow this to run through. So it's a 6-minute and 11-second video. It must run its full course. So whether you want to watch the video or not, you must let it go the whole way through. If you do not, you will not get credit for that video. It will not show up on my side as have been watched. But these videos are good. They're going to walk you through
calculating interquartile ranges, and I've taken some exercises from the Khan Academy
the way of doing the particular lesson. It's going to show you some examples that are going to go with what you are going to need to do on your own. So simply allowing this to run at 6 minutes and 11 seconds, you're going to get 4 points. So the gentleman will explain to you what's going on within the lesson, and he'll walk you through the actual steps to the process. And you may want to just take a couple notes as you're going through this so that you have some things to reference. You can always go back and watch this multiple times if you need to. So I'm going to go to the next lesson here rather than waiting 6 minutes and 11 seconds for this one to finish. All right, so the next lesson here is ready to practice. Shows what you can do. It's 4 questions. They're approximating that it'll take us between 4 and 6 minutes to do this. So let's go. All right, so find the interquartile range for the data set below. Stuck, watch a video, or use a hint. So if you do get stuck, this is here for you to use. Watch a video, use a hint, do what you need to do. Of course, I need to find the interquartile range. So interquartile range is, I've got to find my 5-number summary. The lowest number's 2, the highest number's 7. Got to find my median. I got to find the middle of this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 numbers. So I'm going to start crossing them off. 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5, and actually it'd be this one right here is going to be my median. And it would probably have been easier for you to just write them out as 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 4, 4, 5, 5, 6, 7, and then start crossing things out rather than crossing them out with the dots like I did. But I'm just trying to hurry through this for you. The next thing I got to do then is I got to find the quartiles, which is the medians of each half. So I'm going to start crossing things out here. So in the lower half, I have a 1 and a 4, a 3 and a 4. So 3 is my lower quartile. On the upper side, I have a 4 and a 4, a 5 and a 6 and a 5. So I believe my upper quartile is 5. So my lower quartile is 3, my upper quartile is 5. 5 minus 3 is 2. So I believe the answer is going to be 2. Okay. Sort the data from greatest to least. Find the interquartile range of the data. So it's going to allow me to move things here around so that I can sort the data. All right, and then I'm going to find my interquartile range. So 1, 1, 3, 4, okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 numbers again. So I cross out the highest, cross out the highest and lowest, highest and lowest. 2, 3, 4, 5. I would end up right here as my median. And then I got to find the median of the lower half. So crossing these out, there'd be 2 there, there'd be 2 there. 3 would be my lower median, 2 there, 2 there, 6 would be my upper median. So 6 minus 3 is 3. All right. What happens if I get stuck? Let's see. I get stuck. I have a chance to watch a video, or I can get a hint. Okay, so it says it's not going to count toward my process if I get a hint. So I'm not going to get a hint. I want it to count. So I'm going to keep going here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 data points. So it'll be the 5th data point. And then it'll be 1, 2, 1, 2. Okay, so my interquartile is going to be 1 and 4.5. So 4.5 minus 1 is 3.5. All right. Well, let's see. I'm just going to take a guess here. I'm going to guess it's 1. Oh, it's telling me I have to sort them first. So I'm going to sort them real quick. This would help if I put a half in the right spot. And of course, we're getting practice here with ordering numbers, which is one of our... okay, now that I've got it all sorted out. Oh my gosh. I had no idea that that was going to be correct. In fact, I was going to try and see what happened if I missed one for you. Done. I got 4 out of 4. In this section, to get proficient, I needed 3 out of 4. If I hadn't gotten 3 out of 4, I could have went back and tried again. Okay, so it's bringing me out. It's telling me, okay, you can see it's still saying start on this one because I never finished the video. It's not going to allow me to move on. All right, so we have videos, we have practices. These are little readings we need to do. So calculate the range of temperatures in Kansas City, Missouri. Remember, range is max minus min, so Kansas City would be 35 minus 23, which is 12. Got that one right. Calculate the range, and so I'm gonna goof this up. I'm gonna say it's 11. I know it's 12. Okay, so I missed that one. What is the best interpretation of the range? Again, I'm going to goof this one up. And I'm just going to randomly guess at this one. And at this point, I'm just taking random guesses on things. Get that one right. I think I'm going to do that. You can see a lot of these are just multiple choice. Oh boy, 50-50, and I blew it. All right. Boy, did I miss a question? Oh, okay. All right, I'm going to go back out. This is the next lesson. I'm going to go back out real quick. Well, it didn't let me go back out. Why didn't it let me go back out? Okay, so you can see that worksheet was actually 2 parts there. And even though I made mistakes going through, and please don't just guess, even though I made mistakes going through, it allowed me to complete the worksheets. And get my 4 points. So there's only one other piece to all this puzzle, and there are quizzes in here. Let's see if I can find one of the quizzes. There's one of the quizzes. And it's saying it's 5 questions. It's going to take me approximately 12 to 16 minutes. I don't think it'll take us that long, but where to find the median of this. So if we can order these real quick, I think I can find the median. Two, 3, looks like the median is 9. So 9 patients. Okay, each of these questions is worth 8 points. So if you go through and do all of these and get them all correct, you'll get 40 points for this assignment. There's also the opportunity, if you do goof it up, you can go back and you can redo it. Second time through, you can use the hints. It'll lead you to the answer. 10, 23, 28, 32. 32 divided by 4 is 8. Let's see what the show calculator does for you. Oh, there we go. We got a little calculator. We can do the addition. Drag that out of the way. I can do my addition on there. So I can do 4 plus 5 plus 10 plus 13 and divide that by 4 and I get 8. And my cat just showed up to interrupt our video. Come on. Unwelcome guest. Okay, so I'm going to jump across here real quick and I will show you. Ashes, you need to go. Very friendly cat when she wants to be. Okay, so I'm going to show you here real quick what it shows me on my side of things. You can see right there I am. And if I scroll over, it's showing me that I got 100% on that first worksheet and that I completed the 2 worksheets. And remember, I didn't do the video, so the video is the first dash there. When it's not complete, it's going to show me that you are not complete. If you would get less than 100, it will show me that you got 75%, but it's showing up as yellow, and 75 is proficient. You will receive full credit for that. So it's really that simple. So all you need to do is jump on and get to learning. Hope this helped. If you need more help with any of this, please, please, please check in and let me know. Take care. Be safe.